xMap lets you do AI on the map. It lets you analyze any specific location for the suitability of a specific business and control the map using generative AI. First, I'm going to go to San Francisco. I'll do the search here, and it's going to take me directly to San Francisco in a central location. Now, let's say I'm not very interested in that specific location. I'll just close it, and I'll open the satellite view here. And now I'm interested to analyze this specific piece of land. I want to understand if it's suitable to open a specific restaurant or a retail store. So to start off, I'm going to add a point. And when I add this point, it's going to give me every piece of information I need to know about that point, starting from the total population, median age, employment rate, and so on and so forth. If I click on area report, I can get even more insight about this location, or I can download the PDF about this place point. Now I'm interested to ask questions about that point. So let me say, for example, analyze the suitability of high-end steak restaurant in this point. Now, this is an excellent question because it needs us to go through many points of information. So it's going to say I'm going to analyze the suitability. It automatically draw a boundary around the point of 1 kilometer, and from that specific point, it's going to analyze the suitability of that specific point for a restaurant. Now it's now actually even analyzing the tract. If you see this specific boundary, it's a tract and getting demographics profile. It also analyzed competition around the place, and it's going to give us the final report about that specific point or place. Now let me ask another question for this. Let me stop this one and say, show me suitable real estate properties for me. Now, this is a different question, and it's mostly related to like residential properties of real estate. So it's going to understand that I'm asking about residential property. It found a specific piece of point, and it can open listings for us on Zillow and do the search on our behalf. I'll close this one, and finally, I'm gonna go back to the same question about restaurant, and I say, find me the best location to open a restaurant. Now, it's no longer about this point, but I want to go across all San Francisco and figure out which is the best location to open a restaurant. Now, it's going to trigger a specific function and going to analyze all points and tell us, oh, actually, these are the best points to open restaurant. And not just that, but you also get the results in front of you, you get the locations, and you get the specific ranking of them.